Hi guys, Tom here with another Asus feature video. This time we're looking at the elegant new Zenbook 14, also known as the UX433. So the first thing you'll notice when taking a look at the Zenbook 14 is the new frameless four-sided nano edge design. With a breathtaking 92% screen-to-body ratio, these ultra-slim bezels are just 2.9mm thin at the sides, 3.3mm at the bottom, and 6.1mm at the top. Meaning you not only have a more immersive visual experience, but the size of the Zenbook 14 is more compact too. In fact, the Zenbook 14 heralds a new era of ultra-portable design as our smallest 14-inch laptop ever. It's only 15.9mm thick and weighs just 2.6 pounds, and in regards to its dimensions, it's almost the same size as an A4 sheet of paper. But make no mistakes, the Zenbook 14 doesn't sacrifice user experience for its ultra-compact size. The Zenbook 14's ultra-slim bezels wouldn't mean much without a great screen, and that's why the Zenbook 14 has a full HD display, 178-degree wide view angle, and 100% sRGB, meaning you have a crisp, clear, high-resolution display that makes all visuals look their best from any angle. The Zenbook 14 also features exclusive Asus technologies, including Asus Splendid and Asus True to Life Video, that fine-tune display parameters to ensure optimum eye comfort and colour performance for any kind of content. And speaking of comfort, as with any Zenbook, the user's comfort is one of Asus's top priorities. And the Zenbook 14 goes the extra mile with its exclusive ErgoLift hinge, a carefully calculated piece of engineering designed to automatically tilt the keyboard to the most comfortable typing position, improve cooling and audio performance too. You'll wonder how you ever did without it. The Zenbook 14 also introduces the exclusive new number pad, a touchpad with a switchable numeric keypad for speedy data entry. So if we take a look at the ports on the Zenbook 14, on one side we have our DC input, HDMI port, USB 3.1 port, and USB-C 3.1 port. Whilst on the other side, we have an audio jack, a USB 2.0 port, and a microSD card reader. And last but definitely not least, the Zenbook 14 is powered by a high-capacity battery made for the long and demanding working day out and about. Extended journeys or day-long meetings are no problem for Zenbook 14, even when power outlets are in short supply, as it provides up to 14 hours of battery life. And that's it for this video. If you want to find out more about the Zenbook 14, be sure to click the link in the description and subscribe for more feature videos and Asus announcements.